kodwa into yakambona. Abanye njengamanje izinto ziyanyakaza emakhaya, amakhamba ayanyakaza emakhaya, imisaka yomnyama iyanyakaza emakhaya, bathi uvela kanjani lana? Ngoba vele wena ngizokubandela kwakwisimo sakho, ngoba vele angizele wena ngizele sona. Nofunda amahubo esibili, uchapter number 6, uverse number 16. Uthi Elisha, ungakhathazeki, baningi abangakithi kunalabo abangakubo. Bese verse number 17, ethi uNkulunkulu, vula amehlo akho, inceba ayizwa umkhuleko, kodwa lokhu kwakuvale amehlo enceba bawuzwa umkhuleko. Asiza sizohlanganyela bazalwane. We are not addressing you physically, but we are dealing even with our cases. Ungaphathi kancane hlanganyela, ngizakusiza ukuthi mawuphuma lana musukuvumelana nesimo sakho, uthi lendoni iyambona, yangibona umalungane nje, ngimbonile ngiyambona yazi akamazi ukumeshisa Nkosi yami nje, kanti awubona ukuthi akuswele ukukhuluma ngesimo sakho. Does this mean the dry bones are better than us? Genesis chapter number 1 verse number 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Verse number 1. Uma ufunda verse number 2. Lithi iBhayibheli, and the earth was without form, and thick darkness was upon the face deep of the earth, but the Spirit of the Lord was covering. Uma ufunda verse number 3, lithi iBhayibheli, uNkulunkulu wafika wathi makube khona ukukhanya. When you are not even without form, kodwa uNkulunkulu wafika entweni emnyama, entweni engenabukeka, wakukhanya. Loyo uyakwazi ukuba ukhanya. You are way better than God. This is my encouragement to you, saints. Akukusho lokho bazoshumayela. Kodwa ngisho noma kuthuvela ebakheni labo. Be careful how you speak about this. Ngoba awuyazi ukuthi lethi iBhayibheli awuyingilosi yayiza kuJohane. Abhalele ingilosi yasebandleni elithize incwadi. Umuntu wakulelo bandla wayeyithola kanjani imessage ukuthi aqhubeke. Abanye abagciniwe nje bagcine ingilosi yaleli bandla. Bazalwane ngiyaxolisa. Sithe abaholi 1 to 1. Amen. Mashathala. Siyaxolisa. But no from Psalms 107 verse number 20. Lithi iBhayibheli, wathumela izwi lakhe labasindisi lasibakhulu